Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to the Certified Developer Associate course for 2018. I'll be your instructor. My name is Ryan Kroonenberg. I'm one of the co-founders of A Cloud Guru. So why should you learn AWS? Well, check out this Business Insider article. Basically, it says you can boost your salary by 26% just by getting AWS certified. And your salary ranges depending on the different certificates, but from anywhere from 108,000 US dollars all the way up to 119,000 US dollars. And this is based off a survey that they've done. So what is driving this? Well, AWS have a thing called a partner program. You've got two different types of partners. You've got technology partners, you've got consulting partners. Technology partners are people who provide technologies around AWS. It might be people like Alert Logic, might be Datadog, etc., etc. And then you have your consulting partners. And your consulting partners will be people like Accenture or Rackspace or LogicWorks or CloudReach or Verizon, etc., etc. And they're people who provide consulting services around AWS. Now, in the consulting partners stream, you've got three different tiers. You've got your standard, advanced, and premier. In order to meet the standard, you must have at least 2 employees who are certified to an associate level. In order to meet advanced, you need 4 people at an associate level and 4 people at a professional level. And in order to meet premier, you need 20 people at an associate level and 8 people at a professional level. So this creates a huge amount of demand for the certificates themselves. But of course, there are many people outside who are not consultants, but who are, basically implementing AWS, and they're moving their on-premise environment into AWS, and they really want people who understand AWS. And the best way to show that you understand AWS is to go out and get an AWS certificate. So how do these certificates fit together? Well, you've got 4 different tiers. We've got the Certified Cloud Practitioner, which is the brand newest tier. It was just launched at reInvent in 2017. So that is the very entry-level certificate, and it's aimed at basically anyone, people who have never, non-technical, never logged into an EC2 instance before. So that is by far the easiest way to go ahead and get certified. By no means do you need to do that in order to do this course, the Developer Associate course. We're going to assume that you know nothing in doing this course. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know. You don't need to be a developer in order to do this course, but just do bear that in mind, is there's one under the associate levels now, which is Certified Cloud Practitioner. If you want to go ahead and get certified quickly, definitely do check that out. We have this course on A Cloud Guru as well. So then we've got the associate level certificates. So we've started with the Certified Cloud Practitioner. We've then got Certified Developer Associate. We've got the Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and we've got the Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. We then move on to the professional certificates. So we've got the Certified Solutions Architect Professional. In order to do this, you must have passed the Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam in order to sit the professional level exam. We then also have the DevOps Professional. In order to sit that exam, you must have passed either the Developer Associate exam or this SysOps Administrator Associate exam. So you must pass one of 2 in order to go and do your DevOps Pro. We then have the specialty exams. Currently, there is the Certified Big Data Specialty. We also have the Certified Advanced Networking Specialty. There will be a Certified Security Specialty. It was basically released in beta. It was then pulled, and then Amazon have said that they're going to bring it back sometime early on in 2018. We would hope, but we don't know. We'll just see. But they have definitely committed to bringing it back to students who went and did that, specialty exam. So those are the way the exams work. We've got 4 different tiers. We've got the practitioner, we've got the associate, we've got the professionals, and we've got the specialty. In terms of how hard the exams are from easiest to hardest, the Certified Cloud Practitioner is the easiest, followed by the Certified Developer Associate, followed by Solutions Architect Associate, followed by SysOps Administrator Associate, which is by far the hardest of all the associate exams. We then, in terms of the specialties, we've got big data and advanced networking. And then in terms of the professional, from what I've heard, I still haven't done DevOps Pro, but I'm on my way to do it very, very soon. We've got DevOps Pro, and then by far the hardest is the Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Now, the Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam is tough for a number of reasons. The questions are very long, they're very complicated, and they cover a lot of detail. They cover a lot of width as well as depth. And the other thing is you've got 2 minutes and 7 seconds per question in order to sit, in order to pass the exam. And it can take you 3 or 4 minutes to read one of these questions because they can be quite wordy, and then you have to comprehend it, and then you have to figure out what the right answer is. So you can know everything there is to know about AWS, but if you're bad in your time management skills for the exam, you might not be able to pass that exam. So do bear that in mind. But congratulations, you're doing Developer Associate. It is one of the easiest associate exams, and it's a great way to go on and get AWS certified. You don't need to be a developer to do this course. You don't need any AWS experience whatsoever. We're going to, basically explain it like I'm 5. It's going to be very, very hands-on, and we're not going to do any death by PowerPoint. We're going to keep it as hands-on as possible. So why should you learn this course from me? Or I'm an AWS community hero. I've taught AWS to over 400,000 people. I'm also an Alexa champion, and I have an explain it like I'm 5 approach. Like I said, I assume you know nothing. We're going to teach you everything you need to know in order to pass this exam, and you're going to learn an awful lot of things along the way, including how to build an Alexa skill, how to build serverless websites, how to use the Poly service to turn your notes into MP3 files, etc., etc. So what do you need to do this course? You just need a computer. You're going to also need an AWS free tier account. So you just need to go to aws.amazon.com/free tier. Again, the link is below. And optionally, you're going to need a domain name, and we'll show you how to do that in this course. This year, there's been 1,300 updates to AWS in 2017. It can be really, really tough to stay on top of all the updates. There's literally 20, 30 blogs a week about all the new services that they're announcing. For that reason, we have a TV show called AWS This Week. We release it every single Sunday. It's basically a roundup of what's new with AWS in 5 minutes or less. And we also announce the winner of Guru of the Week. So Guru of the Week is where we run a competition on our Facebook page every single week. We'll ask a professional level question. If you answer it correctly and give a good explanation and you're selected, you'll win an exclusive t-shirt, you win a sticker as well, and you'll win a hand-signed card by me. And then in September of 2018, at the end of September, what we do is we select one Guru of the Week winner to get a free ticket to reInvent 2018. So if you do want to come to reInvent's basically Amazon's big party in Las Vegas where they announce all their new products for the following year, then do check that out. You have the chance to win it. And it's also a lot of fun playing Guru of the Week. The questions are tough. They're really tough, and it's a great way to prepare if you do want to go on and do your professional level exam. So a couple of things, like I said, go subscribe to our YouTube channel, go ahead and like our Facebook page, and please do go ahead and follow me on LinkedIn. I can't actually connect with anyone now on LinkedIn because I've got 30,000 connections. Apparently that's some kind of hard limit, but you can follow me. Once you've passed your exam, please upload your certificate both to the A Cloud Guru platform for bonus Guru points, as well as on LinkedIn, and just go ahead and tag me. That way I can see who's passing, and gives me a good indication that the course is on point to help you pass your exams. Now, Udemy students, the best place to ask questions is also on the A Cloud Guru platform. Do check out our platform. We do offer membership, both a monthly and annual membership. With membership, you get full access to all our courses. You'll get access to 9 certification courses. We only keep the 3 associate courses on Udemy. We don't do any of the professional or the specialties. We want to build out our own cloud computing community, on our own platform. So do go check that out. You can go and subscribe, become a member, and you'll get access to all you can eat. And we don't just have AWS courses on there. We have Red Hat courses, we have LPIC courses, we have Salesforce courses. I have a whole bunch of courses that you can access there as well. You also get access to our mobile app, so you'll be able to watch all the courses on the go. You'll be able to download them and cache them offline. So if you're on the tube, or if you're on the on the plane or something where you don't have an internet signal, you'll be able to watch the courses. You'll also be able to use our exam simulator, which will give you a whole bunch of different practice exam questions and tell you whether or not you're ready to go ahead and do the Developer Associate exam. So do check that out. So in the next lecture, we're going to cover off the optional extras. So I'm just going to go through the iPhone app. We're also going to go through our Alexa skill, which can also help you study. So do check that out in the next lecture. We'll then go through the exam blueprint for the Certified Developer Associate exam, and then we'll be able to move on and start getting started with AWS. So thank you for your time, everyone. Thank you for purchasing this course, and keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus, and I'll see you in the next lecture.